Meaning of hermit.
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 Hermit. A hermit is a person who chooses to live in solitude and isolation from society, often for religious, philosophical, or personal reasons. Hermits are known for their ascetic lifestyle, abstaining from material possessions, pleasures, and interactions with other people. They often lead simple lives, engaging in meditative practices, prayer, or contemplation. While historically associated with Christianity and Buddhism, hermits can be found in many different cultures and religions throughout the world. Despite their solitary lifestyles, hermits have played important roles in influencing spiritual movements and preserving cultural traditions.